In this section, we'll be looking at how synchronized block works and see how it optimizes the performance of the existing fast food restaurant with synchronized method example. We'll remove the synchronized method and add a synchronized block. So let's copy the fast food restaurant synchronized method class which we created and then paste it in the com.modern Java the threading, and then rename this one to synchronized block. And instead of using the synchronize keyword over here in the method definition, what we will do is that we will use synchronize block and synchronize on this. So it is synchronizing on the instance of this class. So let's run this program again. And you can see the total number of burgers sold is correct, which is 4. But still, it took 8 seconds to execute this program. Let's run this program again. Just to verify the behavior that the number of burgers sold is correct. The number of burgers sold is correct, 4. So synchronized block is working, but there is no optimization or no improvement of performance which we have seen as compared to the synchronized method. Now let's look into this and then see that do we need synchronization on a long running process? Is there something which we need to be inside the synchronized block? So thread can wait for this outside of the synchronized block. You don't have to wait for this inside the synchronized block. Let's move this out. Now they're modifying the last client name, so that has to be synchronized, because in this way we want to receive the last client name, and number of burgers sold should be with synchronized, because that's what we are using synchronization for, to get the right count of the number of burgers sold. And system.out.println client name Whataburger. So this is something which we can either use outside or we can keep it inside. But we definitely want to keep it inside because we cannot move this outside, or we can move this outside even. So let's move this outside. So you can see that we are now synchronizing. We have used a synchronize on class or instance of this class and using only for client name and number of burgers sold. So now let's run this program. So when you run this program, you can see that the time it took to complete is 2 seconds. Before it was 8 seconds, now it is 2 seconds. And the total number of burgers sold is correct, which is 4. So let's run this program one more time. And total number of burgers sold is correct, which is 4. And it took only 2 seconds to run this program. So what's the reason behind this is because we moved the long running process out of this block. So synchronize block give us capabilities to only have synchronization done on the things or the statements which we really need, or the variables which we really need. So we can run all other processes outside of the synchronized statements. Just like in this case, we are running a long running process outside.